Hey guys, welcome back to Blender Nights, and this would be a bit long video as I will be covering multiple things in a single video. It's all about how to model, then how to do and texturing, then how to add H2O water droplets, and then rendering. Press Shift A, choose and circle. 64 vertices होंगी तो ज़्यादा स्मूथ होगा. देन ई से एक्सट्रूड करना है एडिट मोड में जाके एंड रेफरेंस इमेज को कम्प्लीटली फॉलो करना है एक्यूरेट रिजल्ट्स के लिए. एंड प्लीज़ कीप डू चेकिंग दी वर्टिसेस कि वो मर्ज ना हो या जी एक्सेस पे कंबाइन ना हो. कॉज कितनी बार एज अ बिगिनर हम ये मिस्टेक ज़रूर करते हैं कि हम उसको जी एक्सेस के ऊपर एक्यूरेट नहीं स्केल करते. देन कीप फॉलोइंग दी स्टेप again and again. Extrude it down, then scale it, then extrude it down, then scale it. ये 2-3 बार प्रोसीजर रहेगा. देन अपवर्ड्स हमको एक स्केल करना है. एज यू कैन सी प्रॉपर शेप बन रहा है. देन अगेन हम ऐसे स्केल करके देन हम उसको वापस जी साइड के ऊपर स्केल करेंगे डाउनवर्ड्स. यप, अब थोड़ा ठीक लग रहा है. देन हम जो इनर लूप है हम उसको पी से डिफरेंट कर देंगे दूसरे वाले मैच से. देन हम उसको स्केलिंग करेंगे एज पर द रेफरेंस इमेज. एंड आई विल यूज प्रेस ओ फॉर प्रोपोर्शनल एडिटिंग. आई विल यूज प्रोपोर्शनल एडिटिंग टू रिसाइज इट एक्यूरेटली. बट यहाँ पे आई वुड सजेस्ट कि आप मिरर मॉडिफायर यूज़ करें. कॉज डिलीटिंग वन साइड एंड देन यूजिंग मिरर मॉडिफायर इज़ अ वेरी हेल्पफुल टूल which saves much time. Now use proportional editing to fix the mesh. Press M for removing the duplicates of it. So after applying the mirror modifier, always check कि कोई भी डुप्लीकेट वर्टिसेस ना हो जिसकी वजह से आगे चल के हमें मेश को जब हम उसको फिल करेंगे उसके साइड्स तो मेश फटे नहीं या शेडिंग इश्यूज ना आए, एनगॉन्स ना हो. As you can see, I had applied the mirror modifier. Now I'm gonna fix this. इनर वाला जो लूप है उससे हम एक्सट्रूड करेंगे एक साइड को हमारे अंदर की जो कैन का सेक्शन है जो ओपन होता है वो चीज़ बनाने के लिए. सो ई फॉर एक्सट्रूड, सेलेक्ट वन वर्टिस. बट आई गेस आई शुड अप्लाई इन मिरर मॉडिफायर. Let me check. Yep. Let's apply mirror modifier for more accurate results. Now E for extrude. कोई भी एक सिंगल वर्टिसेस को आप सेलेक्ट कर लिए. Then E for extrude. Follow the reference image first. Yep. बाय द वे मैंने स्क्रीन कास्ट की इसको ऑन किया है. सो आप देख सकते हैं लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे जो भी चीज़ें अगर आपको समझ नहीं आ रही हैं तो आप चेक कर सकते हैं मैं कौन सी कीज़ प्रेस कर रहा हूँ. Now press M to delete or to dissolve vertices जो extras है वो हमें visible नहीं होती है but वो होती हैं. So press A for selection everything and then press M and merge by distance. That would be very helpful. Now we're gonna fill the face. So select two vertices, press F and keep doing this process again and again. And while doing it, just concentrate to maintain a good topology for the product, because maintaining a good topology is a very good thing for an artist to get hired for professional clients. Now I will be cutting by using K for knife and adding loops to all the edges. Keep following the steps what I'm doing. Fill the faces accordingly with a proper number of vertices, because when you're gonna fill the faces there won't be any kind of n-gons. Now we have to make the inner face. Press F to fill, then E for extrude. Now we will be using again proportional editing. Press O for proportional editing and do follow the reference image accordingly. Now I have to make in separate line to just keep following the reference image. I will be playing with some vertices for making a proper loop. Now select the outer loop and extrude it upwards. I'll be adding a single loop. Now extrude the face again. Scale it bit down. Now adding an subdivision surface modifier. The shortcut key for subdivision is Control 3 or Control numpad 2. It's up to you. You can use 3 or 2. I guess लूप के अंदर कुछ प्रॉब्लम हुई है. Yep, I'll be doing it again. I'll extrude it, select the faces, extrude it upwards, select the inner face, scale it down bit and scale it to z-axis. I guess now it's done. This is one of the toughest part. So do not skip this part. And still, if you're here watching this video and following these tips and tricks, so please do like and subscribe to the channel. Now we have to make the other part. Press Shift A, choose a circle. Now go in editing mode and duplicate the same circle to upwards. Modeling the can upper side is one of the toughest job for a beginner to make it. But once you learn the topology, you will be master in doing it. Now select two vertices, press F to fill. Do the same to other side as well. Use wireframe for more accuracy. Now press F to fill. Now select the outer vertices of a circle. Scale it down according to the reference image. Do the same for upwards. Scale it bit. Again using proportional editing, press O. Always use shortcuts for more accuracy in your work and to speed up your work. Now I'll be joining those vertices by pressing F. Then again we have to fill the faces. Press F and it would automatically will do it. Just select two vertices, press F, then again select the same vertices, and when you keep pressing F, it will keep filling the faces. Yep, it's done. Now I will be adding one loop cut in it. Now again select the inner side, extrude it downwards, scale it bit. We will be making an downer part of the can opener. Do not skip. Extrude it to y-axis. Now select the faces, extrude it down again. Select the circle, outer circle, scale it down to S-axis. Now select the loop, delete the extra vertices. Now it's done. Press F to fill the faces. put some loop cuts. Then select the inner faces. Use loop tool, make it circle. E for extrude towards Z axis. Now right. Now fill the faces of outer one. Let me see in subdivision mode. I guess it's pretty well. Yep. So now I'll just add in loop cut over it. Fill out the faces of the can body upper side. Subdivision modifier. And as we can see, this is the toughest part of making can in 3D. Yep, now it's looking cool. Now let's make the can bottom body as well as mid body. Align it with the picture, or you can say reference image as well. Now select the inner loop, press S to scale down. Now extrude the mesh as according to the reference image. Though say you are selecting the proper mesh, extrude it downward according to the reference image. As you can see, our can is ready. Now I will be adding the material as well as water droplets. So do not skip and watch till end. Definitely you'll learn something new. As well as I'll be adding the droplet file in the description as well as the reference images too, so that you can use it as well. And if you like the video, so please do share it to the needy ones and do like and comment what is your favorite part. Now moving on to the material shader. Go on shade editor. Metallic to 1. I'll be going on some bluish tone, metallic to 1. put the color to bump. Now stretch the value accordingly, or you can copy mine as well. I have to stretch some X value. I guess it's enough. Now it's looking cool. Yep, we got the results. We'll be adding the UV map too as well, so don't skip the part. Changing the noise value bit as seems. I guess it's fine now. Okay. Select this part. Shift T for duplicate and P for parent. Sorry, P for separate. I will change the material of it. Rename it. Add the solidify layer to it. I guess 0.1 was enough. Now add the UV map. Put it down to clip, not repeat. Now unwrap the UV. Now let's add water droplet. The fun part, I had already made this. If you want, so like even you can use this. I'll just mention the link in the description so that you can use it for learning how it's made or for your commercial purpose. You can use it, it's free. I'm just tweaking with some of the changes of the parameters of the droplets. You can also tweak it according to your preference. Now we'll be making an eyes. At a cube, I will be using sculpt mode for this. Now go to sculpt mode, press R for changing the proximity, or you can say vertices. Now sculpt it accordingly. You can copy the same direction what I am doing. Now it's done. Just copy the cube. Make one more duplicate copy with Shift D. I'll be definitely showing you how to render these stuff in a cool way. Now I'll be using ice material from Blender Kit add-on, which is free of cost. Let's change the material. I guess the downer one is much clear. Yep. This is cool. Now we'll be adding some more stuff from Blender Kit. So I'm just speeding up the whole process as it requires much time, so you can enjoy it. If you are still watching, so please give a thumbs up. I'm speeding up the process. So this was the whole process of making an 3D industrial product rendering from start to end. And still, if you are here, so please give a like, do support me, as well as this is the key to earn higher and higher in this industry, cause the realistic renders, the more realism in your renders, the more you earn. So till then, take care, and soon one more sub-D video would be around to come. So stay tuned. Take care.